In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to break a larger task into smaller, trackable pieces without leaving the flow of your work. Start by opening a task. In your Asana workspace, navigate to the project you're working on and click any task to bring up its details pane. This panel usually appears on the right side of your screen and shows the task's title, description, and activity. Think of it as the home base for everything related to that task, and it's exactly where you'll create your subtasks. Next, locate the subtask control. You have two simple options. The first is to click the small list icon near the top right of the task's details pane. It looks like a tiny checklist and opens a focused area where you can begin adding subtasks immediately. If you don't see that icon, or you prefer to work within the full details view, scroll down inside the task until you find the subtasks section. This section is specifically designed for breaking the work into smaller pieces, and it's hard to miss once you're in the details pane. Now add your first subtask. Click into the subtask field and type a clear, action-oriented name. Keep it short and specific so it's easy to scan later, for example, draft outline, collect assets, or review copy. When you're done typing the name, press enter. That's it. Pressing enter confirms the subtask and adds it to the list instantly. If you're building a checklist of subtasks, keep going. After you press enter, your cursor will be ready for the next one, so you can type the next name and press enter again. This rhythm makes it fast to capture your entire plan without losing momentum. If you need to pause and think, no problem. Everything you've added so far is saved automatically in the task. A few quick tips as you work. Use consistent naming so the list reads like a sequence of actions. Group related subtasks together as you add them so the order matches the way you plan to work. If you don't immediately see your newly added subtask, give the page a second to sync or lightly scroll to refresh the view inside the details pane. That's all it takes. Open a task to access its details, use the subtask icon or scroll to the subtask section, type the subtask name and press enter to add it. With this simple flow, you can turn any big task into a clear, manageable plan in seconds.